task completing, homework completing, reading, practicing. Yes, children. So you have to concentrate little on your studies. Why? Because you have played, enjoyed very much in your home till now. Now you have to concentrate in your studies. Now let us move into the subject. Yes. So in your previous class we have completed our exercise number 2.1, first bit and second bit. Yes. In first bit we have learned how to write number names, name of the number, and in second bit we have learned how to write numbers for the names of the numbers. Yes, we have learned how to write in word form and how to write in number form. Both the forms we have learned in our previous class. Yes, so today we are starting with your same exercise only, but a new bit, that is number grid. Okay, so in the previous class I said no, you are introduced with one more digit, like 4-digit numbers you are going to learn in this class. So here we are going to learn how to write 2001 to 2050. How you have learned in your previous class, second class, how to write 1 to 100 numbers, 102, 200 numbers, how you have learned. So in that same way we are going to learn 2001 to 2050 numbers in this class. Okay, so here they have given you few numbers in the middle. Yes, few numbers they have given for help, so that you can take the help of that numbers and you can complete the other numbers. So how to write? I will tell you in an easy way. You see. So you know, every one of you know 1 to 100 numbers, no? Yes. If you know 1 to 100 numbers, you can write any number, any number of digits also you can write. Okay. So see here. See, the number is starting from 2001. Means in your number, in your set of number, compulsory you should have 4 digits. Okay. You should have 4 digits in your number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are compulsory for a number to write here. Okay, so that one you should remember. See, now here you have 2001. How they have written? It is the series. The series here starting with 2. So you also have to write 2. Yes, 2 and 2 zeros are compulsory. This first 3 digits are compulsory here. So 2 zeros, and here you have 1, no? After 1 what you have? Yes, after 1 you are having number 2. So write number 2. Okay, 2002. Yes, is it clear, children? So first 3 digits you will write the same. Then you are going to write all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers common. Okay, so here also first 3 numbers common. 2, 0, 0. 3 numbers will be same. So after 2, what is the number? You have number 3. Yes, so I have written number 3 here. So you also have to write in the number 3, 2003. Next you take the other 3 numbers same. After 3, you have number 4. Yes. Next again 3 numbers same. After 4, you have number 5. Okay. So same like this you have to repeat, complete this row. So you have to write the first 3 numbers same. Then after 5, 6. Okay. Next after this again 3 numbers same. 3 numbers same. After 6 which number you will get, children? Yes, the next number is number 7. Yes. So same like this you have to repeat for all the numbers. 7 after 8. Next again 3 numbers 8. Same 8 after 9. Yes. So in the 10th place you have little change of the number. Yes, so I will tell you, see till 9th place, till the number 9 comes, we have taken 3 numbers as the common, no? So if we take 3 numbers as the common here, see I will show here. If we take 3 numbers as the common and the next number is 10, so if you write like this, see how many digits it is becoming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. It is becoming 5 digits. Okay, so it will become 20,010. Yes, so here it is becoming 5 digits. So you have to have only 4 digits in your number. Okay, so you should have only 4 digits in your number. So to make your number only 4 digits, you have to remove 1 0 in the middle. Okay, you have to remove 1 0 in the middle so that you will have again 4 digits. See, 2 You got correct now? We should have only 4 digits and it should be related to all the number. It should be correct. So you got here now 2010. Okay. Now with the help of this number again you have to fill the next row. Okay. See what is the number here from here. From 2010 you have to take the common numbers as only 2. First 2 digits only you have to take common. So 2 0 we will take common. After 10 what is the number? After 10 you have 11. Yes. So again you have to take 2 digits common 2 0. Then after 11 what is the number? It is number 12. Yes. So again you take the common number 2 0. After 12 what is the number? Yes, it is number 13. So how do you read this number? 2013. Okay. So like that you have to take the common numbers and the next number. Common number and the next number. So same like this you have to repeat for all the numbers. Yes. So in the middle you have to check with the printed numbers also. See here I got 2018. The before number I got 2017. Is it correct children? Yes, my number is correct. So I am going in the correct way. You can check with the middle numbers also. If your middle number and whichever number you have written, if they are not matching, if they are not in the order, that means you have done some mistake in the numbers. Then you have to check with the numbers again. Okay. So here whatever I have written it is correct. So I am continuing with the next number. So you get 2 numbers common here again. 18 after 9. So same as it is like only in the 10th place. Here we have 1 digit and the next digits are 2 digits. We have little change in the 10th place. But in the other here in the 10th place. Like in the second row 10th place, the number will be same. You have to take 2 digits common. 19 after you will have 20. Okay. So in the same way, with the help of the last digit there, we will write the next number. 2 numbers common. 20 after 21. Next 2 digits common. 22, 21 after 20. Next 2 digits common. Then write the next number. 2 digits common. Then write the next number. 2 digits common. Next write the next number. So here my number is correct with the printed number. So I am moving to the next one. Yes, next 2 digits common. Here the printed number is 26. So after that you will have 27. Okay. Next 27 after 2 digits common. Next 28. Next 2 digits common. Next number is 29. Next 2 digits common. Next number will be 30. Okay. Then like this only you have to follow for all the other numbers. 30 after 31. 2 digits common. Then 32. Here we have the printed number 2033. So we have to move with the next number. You should not repeat that number again. You should have to go to the next number. 2034. Next 2035. Next 2036. 2037. 2038. Next you have the printed number 2039. So you have to write the next number after this 39. You have number 40. Okay. Now in the last row we have one more line here to complete. Take the 2 digits common. 40 after 41. 2042. 2043. Then you have printed number 44. Then write 2045. 2046. 2047. 2048. 2049. And the last number 2050 is already printed. So like this you have to write the numbers children. 4 digit numbers started from 2001 to 2050 I have completed here. So you can copy down in your term book also. Yes. So in the same way you have the next grid. Yes. So in the next grid you are having again same like this box they have given. Yes. In this same like middle numbers they have printed. You have to fill that all the missing numbers. Okay. So in the third bit also you are having your homework. So in page number 85 you are having third bit as your homework. Okay. Third bit, second bit. Okay. There the number is not mentioned but I have given the number as second. Okay. First I have done second you have to do as homework. Yes, I hope everybody is clear. You will copy down this no children? Yes, now I will rub the board. Now we will move on to the next bit. So, see in your textbook, term book, what is the fourth bit? Yes. So in the fourth bit, they have given you some blocks. So how you used to have in your previous class for hundreds and tens and ones, they used to give like squares and standing lines and small squares, individual squares. So for this one also, you have same letter. In page number 85, see here they have given for thousands, they have given big squares. Yes. Big squares like it is like a cube. For 100 they have given small square. For tens they have given standing lines, and for ones they have given individual squares. Okay, by seeing these pictures you have to write the numbers. So before writing the number for those pictures, you have to write the places on the top. So beside this only you are having lot of places that you can draw one line and you can write it there itself. Okay, so I said very big cube like picture is for 1000. So how many cubes you have like that? So here you have 4 cubes. How many hundreds you have? You have only 100. Yes, and how many tens you have, children? So here you have 8 tens. And how many ones? Yes, so you have 6 ones. Okay, so I have shown this one here. So big cube like thing like this, big cube like squares they have given. Inside you are having many many boxes. So this one you have to think for 1000. Yes, and small square is there, and inside you have same boxes like these things. This is for 100. And individual standing lines you have here also, you have this one. These are for tens. And individual boxes are there, and those are for ones. Okay, so here I have shown one. I have shown this is very easy, children. Only you have to write places on the top. Then big one you have to think for 1000. You have to count and write in the 1000 place. Small square is for hundreds. Count and write in 100 place. Tens you have in the standing line. Count and write in tens place. Ones you have individual squares. Count and write in ones place. Okay. I hope everybody is clear. This is very easy. So I am giving you this one as homework. So in this you have only 4 questions. One I have done here. Only 3 are for homework. Okay. So in the fourth bit you have to do B to D as homework. Okay. So next fifth bit. You have of abacus. This is very easy. You have to just count and write the number of beats they have given there. Okay. So this one also I will give you here. So fifth bit, you have to count and write the number of beats. So first one, here they have given beats. So you have to count the beats. Here is also of 4 places. So in the ones place you have 5 beats. So draw here already there in your book. So no need to write. In 1000 place you have 7. Okay. So now they have given line like this. This is also very easy, children. Just you have to count these beats and you have to write. Okay. So ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 beats here. Tens place 1 and 2 beats here. Under this line if you write, it will be very clear. So here only 1 beat, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 beats. So the number here is 7125. Okay. This is very easy, children. So here also, from this also, you have only 4 questions. So in this also I have given one here. So the other 3 you have to do as homework. Okay, B, C, D, very easy. 1 to 3 minutes you can finish off this one. Okay, and the sixth bit, for doing sixth bit you need your classwork. Okay, how we have here abacus? So you have to draw the abacus, children. This is also very easy. So from this also I am giving you as homework only. Okay, so what to do here? So here we have the number 3985. Okay, 4 digits are there, no? So same like how the printed number is there, you can check it out in your fifth bit. Very easy. You have to draw sleeping line, 4 standing lines. Okay, sleeping line and 4 standing lines. And according to the number, you have to draw the bits. See here 3 is there, no? So 1, 2, 3 bits. Here 9 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 bits you have to draw. Here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits. Okay. Then you see the next digit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Like this you have to draw the abacus. Just this one, this sixth bit you have to do it in classwork, and all the other bits 3, 4, 5 you have to do it in the term book itself. Okay children, sixth bit you have to do it in the classwork. So how you will do? You have to write the chapter number, then write chapter name, then exercise number, write sixth bit, like show the following numbers of abacus, write the heading of the number bit, then draw copy down A1, then list all the things you have to write. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear. The sixth bit also B to D. Only 3 problems children, very easy. Yes, so I hope everybody is clear. You have to do it in your books itself. Yes, only 3 bits in the term book, 1 bit in the classroom. Yes, I will meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.